Currently, I am watching Decode distinct problem solution, and this solution is quite tough. I understand the approach and try to solve by myself, but I failed at some position and I tried to view this solution, but this solution is quite tough and quite lengthy. I understand this approach, but majority of task is I stuck at that part where I cannot find the solution. And current time is 12:18 and tomorrow I have LeetCode contest at 8 a.m. So I have to sleep now because I stuck in this problem. Tomorrow at fresh mind I start again and I am probably sure I will solve this question. But in terms of today's goals, I solve two DSA problem of stack and in terms of MERN, I learned some new libraries like lodash. It is very useful library. Its convention is underscore. Lodash provide many functions like unique. So in this example, I create an array of duplicate integers and duplicate strings. So I run this program and I call unique lodash, and this prints only unique characters. This provide many functionalities like version, add, after, apply, argument array, and so on. There are lots of functionalities, but if I try to write code by myself, it take many time complexity and require hectic. So JavaScript provide lodash library. So today it's enough for this. So time to sleep. Good night.